Hello again. It's Lisa and I'm doing another Temu haul, but this Temu haul is not going to have any beads in it. So I'm going to just get right into it. I bought these. I got to stand up for this, I think. I can't see my phone very well, so I got to make sure everything is being on screen. There. So they're little knit. We call them toques in Canada. I believe they're called beanies in the States. They're bigger. Well, you know what? They can stretch right out. That's the one thing. But I want to have them just kind of like that for a project for my Christmas fairs. And tell me in the comments if you want to see me making this stuff. Like, should I do videos of all the stuff I make for my Christmas fair, craft sale, market, whatever you want to call it? Okay, so that is that one. Just some wide hold needles, and they have just a curved edge. That is for crocheting. Did I tell you guys that I started crocheting again after 20 years? I think I did. I don't have the prices for all this stuff because it's like 15 different orders now. We're up to like 15. So just to let you know, I don't normally pay more than $2 to $3 for anything. If it's more than $3, I'll tell you. Okay, so then these here are just bags for pens. So I told you I wanted to make some beaded pens. So that is for those. And then I received, I don't know if you guys heard me talking about my candy canes that I want to make and that I was waiting for my silver wire to come in. Silver wire is in. Now this was more expensive. I believe this was $4 to $5, and it is 1 millimeter. So feeling it, it feels pretty good for candy canes. I tried to go with something a little thicker, but not too thick. Okay. And then this is just elastic. Now, I wonder if it tells me. It does not. There is different sizes. So this is white. I'm pretty sure I bought 2 millimeter and 2.5 millimeter, and it's stretchy elastic because I want to make some traveling journals. So this one here is a light blue, and you can see that it is much thicker. So I'm questioning whether this is 2 mil. This might only be 1 mil. This is probably 2.5. Yeah, it doesn't tell me. This actually might be too thick. So anyways, so that is the elastic for my traveling journals. I bought stickers. So these are Christmas stickers. These were under $1. And you get 50 pieces. And where do I have a white piece? Here's my white piece of paper. You can see these are all jars. And so there's just, this is like cake and pudding, candles, Santa Clauses, maybe candies, a violin, Mrs. Claus or an elf, another candle, gingerbread man, another cake, cookies, and so on and so on. I don't think, if I remember correctly, I looked at these once. I don't think there's doubles in here. I think you get 50 different, and they're different sizes too. So you can see the different sizes. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, so that is, these were like 98 cents for the 50. Couldn't believe it when I found that. And then I found a second one, which I hid under here. Christmas stickers. Again, right around the dollar price. And these are just all different. Let me move this. So there you see a book, candle, train, little ducky, deer, bells, bow, tree, a scarf. And then look at like Elf or Mrs. Claus, no feet though. So that's a little weird. I love the little critters. And the fact that they're not done up all goofy, like they're just wearing toques and scarves or beanies, or whatever. I'm calling it a toque. That's what I grew up with. Like a little angel. Yeah, and these are all different too. Snowman. So you see how nice the snowmen look? They don't look cartoonish. That's what I like about these. Oh, and look at this guy. He's cute. Little mouse. Okay, so I'm just Santa Claus. It's a nice Santa Claus. Again, another little guy. Those guys are so cute. Okay, getting to the end. Another good Santa. Yeah, the Santas are pretty nice. Now, if anybody really needs to know, like the link, just send me a comment and I will find the link for you. It's just so hard when you have so many things coming in. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's the other pack. Ooh. Okay, I'll leave those for now. So I don't know that I need to open these. You can see that they're wooden stars with a hole in them. And then you can see that these are wooden hoops. I call them hoops. Circles, wooden circles. Now, I thought these were slightly bigger than these. Like millimeters bigger, but maybe not. So there's a reason why I bought these. And, uh-oh. 1 second. Okay, figured everything out. I bought a couple macrame kits. So I bought this one. You can see it's red, off-white, and dark green. It's got some beads and some stars. And that's why I bought stars. And I'll show you, I bought this macrame kit also. I believe it's the same kit, just different colors. Ugh. Yeah, so you can see. So off-white, green, and like a peachy color. Yay, my favorite. And it also has wooden stars. So these kits make... I've already made these. So my husband got these for me. These kits for me. My original kits. Not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before that. This is what, this is what they make. I have a green one somewhere too. So I made this from these. Oh, this one has beads. Okay, so what you get is you get the materials, and then there's usually a card inside that gives you the link to a video so you can watch and make them. This one here has, so here you can see it. This is, you get 3, so the 3 different colors. And it gives you the dimensions, but you can scan that and it gives you the videos to watch. So this one is an old kit, and which I've already made, obviously. So I bought, now where'd I put it? Here. This is also from Temu. So I bought a pack. Actually, that's not completely true. I got this package for free, playing the games. But I hadn't seen this come up at all. So when it came up as a freebie, I said, yeah, because I wanted to get like the circles and the stars to make more of these, because I'm going to sell them. I think they're very cool. And you can see here, I have inches. So they are from tail to tip is 10 inches. So I'm making those to sell. So I got the thread, I got the stars. There is one more thing though. This was my other kit, and we need the white paper back. This is bigger. It is from tip to tip is 11.5 inches. So that is probably what this kit is here, because it has beads in it. So this kit came in the same, in the 3 colors, green, red, and white. And it shows you how to do a different knot and shows you the beads. So yeah, I'm going to make some of those also. Okay, those are my kits. And I've got my scissors in the box. Really weird. Okay, so that is that. We'll put that over there. Okay, I bought this. Came up for like, I don't know, $1.50. And it's 2 meters, and it's, I don't even know the word for it. Organza, maybe? I didn't plan this properly. Move the paper, bring the paper back. Move the paper, bring the paper back. But it's, doesn't have wire. It's, I want to use it just to make some almost ruffly bows, kind of shabby chic type bows. So I thought I would just get a little one to give it a try to see if I like it. I said 2 meters, right? So 2 meters is what? 6.5 feet, I think. So yeah. But it'll definitely be good for ornaments that I make. And then I think this is, yeah, this is the last of this. I bought some socks. Now what I want to do, I should have taken everything out of the bags, but then I wouldn't know what was what. Look at these little guys. So little doggies. Ooh, that one almost looks like a seal. Where's its ears? It's missing its ears. So little doggy socks. Yeah, very cute. They're very soft. And they, yeah, I really like them. So I'm going to put some cat and dog gift packs together to sell. So I bought dog socks. What is that? 4 pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. And then I bought the cat ones. Again, very nice, soft. But look at these guys. This guy just kind of lounging around. This one all pretty with a little bow. This one actually has specks in the socks. And then this one is a little bit hard to see, but again, it looks like it's just lounging. And so I got these 4 pairs, and I went and bought 4 more pairs for myself because I like them. I thought they were just so cute, and I prefer more of an ankle type sock than a tall sock. So yeah, those are the socks. So that is some of the stuff other than beads that I have bought. I almost forgot. I also got a macrame board from Temu. It comes with 2 needles, 1, 2 to hold, and it's foam, and it will hold like in the wooden stars in place kind of thing. And then you can put your extra strings that you're not using at times. So I'm gonna give it a try. It was like $5 or $6, I think. But I'm gonna try it and see if it works. All right, everybody, that is it. So have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye-bye for now.